In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed custom HTML in a Klaviyo email, clearly and simply. Let's get started, focusing first on how to import a full HTML template into Klaviyo. And don't worry, I'll guide you through each step. First things first, make sure your HTML file is ready to go. This file needs to contain an unsubscribe link tag, which is crucial for compliance with email marketing laws. You can use either the %% unsubscribe% or the %unsubscribe link %t tag within your HTML. This allows recipients to easily opt out if they choose, and keeping this in mind is essential for maintaining a good sender reputation and respecting your subscribers' preferences. Next, it's time to head over to Klaviyo. Once you're logged into your account, navigate to the Content section. From there, you'll see an option labeled Templates. Go ahead and click on Email Templates. This is where all your email designs are stored, making it the perfect area to organize your custom templates. Once you're in the Email Templates section, look for the Import button. When you click on that, you'll be prompted to name your new template. Choose a name that makes sense to you and reflects the content or purpose of the email. That way, it'll be easy to identify later when you want to use or edit it. After naming your template, it's time to upload your HTML file. Simply select the file from your computer and allow it to upload. Depending on your connection speed and the size of the file, this might take a few seconds. After it's uploaded, make sure to save your new template. Just click Save and your work is secure. This ensures that all your efforts in creating and customizing the HTML are safely stored within Klaviyo. Now that you've successfully imported the HTML template, it opens up several new possibilities for your email marketing campaigns. You can immediately start using this template within a flow or a campaign, giving your emails a personalized touch. It's important to note, though, that while Klaviyo's drag-and-drop editor is incredibly versatile, you might not be able to edit every element if you've imported pre-designed HTML. Understanding this can save you some confusion later on, especially if you need further customizations. By following these clear and straightforward steps, you're now equipped to embed custom HTML into your Klaviyo emails, enhancing your marketing strategy with tailored designs. Whether you're targeting your subscribers with a special promotion or sharing valuable content, your newly imported templates will enable you to stand out with style and functionality. Thanks for joining me today, and happy emailing.